welcome back to a new video. I'm so glad you're here, and in today's video we are finally tackling the disaster that is my laundry and giving it a good, nice, deep clean. So the first thing that I'm going to do, as you can see, is just finish off putting this load in the dryer and getting organized to begin this clean. So now that that load is in getting dry, it is time for me to, for the first time ever, test out this dishwashing tablet hack for cleaning my washing machine. So I didn't only just put the dishwashing tablets in, I also put in some bleach and some vinegar just so it had an extra layer of deep cleaning.
Spinning like a broken record. For a player, you don't know that many major chords. We hang out and then you get bored, and you leave me here like I'm your landlord. You come back and say, I'm sorry, boo, and I know you never mean it, gets you in though. Did you call me cause you had to? Cause you know I'd throw your suitcase out the window. I don't need you here to feel good. No, I'm not angry.
So now that the washing machine is on a cycle to get deep cleaned, it is time to show you guys the before of what my laundry was looking like before we got into this cleaning routine. It was looking like a hot mess. There was stuff just shoved in the cupboards. There was no organization. There was dirt, dust, and grime everywhere. Like, as you can see, the back door there, we have a screened security door and a glass sliding door. This glass sliding door stays open all of the time. So, as you can see there, it builds up. The dust just piles on in through that door at the moment because we are in a new estate. So there's a lot of construction going on, and a lot of dirt gets in my clothes dryer because my partner's where he works. He gets a lot of dust and sawdust in his clothes, so it just falls out everywhere. The very first thing that I'm going to do is take everything out of this cupboard, organize it, and put it right back in so I don't have it sitting around my house being ignored.
Better things to do. Tell your friends I will be just fine. Don't need no therapist. There's nothing like wine. Fire.
So in the end, the contents of my laundry cupboard ended up getting ignored for a whole night because I just kept getting interrupted and had to do errands, so it got finished the next day.
Posting pictures on the gram so other people know that we're more than friends. Ever since you came around, I've never been sober, always in my head. Met you at a time when I was so low. Went from just talking to taking you home. I don't wanna go back to who I used to be. So if you ever leave me, promise you won't let me down.
And finally, it is time for me to get started on the organizing. So I bought these bins from the reject shop. I think they were around, I want to say $3 each. I bought 4 of them and I thought that they would work pretty well. They're actually laundry baskets, but they're really cheap laundry baskets, obviously. But they worked perfectly for what I wanted them to do, and I'm just organizing them into smaller or thinner blankets, random pillows, the king bed quilt cover sets, and then the spare sheets.
I wish that our love was just like in the movies, with a happy end. Yeah, but sometimes you can't handle your emotions, and I guess that's okay. Met you at a time when I was so low. Went from just talking to taking you home. I don't wanna go back to who I used to be. So if you ever leave me, promise you won't let me drown.
Show?
Promise you won't let me drown. Promise you won't let me drown. Yeah. Oh, let me drown. Oh, no, no, no. Met you at a time when I was so low. Went from just talking to taking you home. I don't wanna go back to who I used to be. So if you ever leave me, promise you won't let me drown. Won't let me drown. No, no, no. Promise you won't let me drown. Won't let me drown. Won't let me drown. Don't let me drown. Don't let me drown. Promise you won't let me drown. I was knocked down, heard the countdown through the haze, in the face of defeat, yeah. I was ruled out with no bailout, on my own, all alone, left to bleed out. But I rose up from the ground, just like I was spellbound. All the odds were against me, so I picked up the pace, and now I'm in the race. Give me some space. I'm a movement and I ain't losing. Gonna go, 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 go. everything in this field. You should kneel instead of me now. Yeah, I rose up from the dead. Your words inside my...
Now that everything is finally organized and back in the laundry cupboard, it is time to get those little decluttered areas decluttered and deep cleaned, and then it was finally time to finish cleaning up my appliances, and I have absolutely no idea why there was a roll of cling wrap in my laundry tub.
Against me, but now I'll be ahead with grace. I'm winning this race. Give me some space. I'm a movement and I ain't losing. Gonna go, 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 go. Like a bullet, don't take no bullshit. You should know, no, no, no. I'm about to explode. Permission, no, I don't have to say I'm sorry. I ain't staying in the background, no, 'cause I don't need your worry. I'm a movement and I ain't losing. Gonna go, 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 go. Like a bullet, don't take no bullshit. You should know, no, I'm about to explode.
So this dryer is older than me, from what I understand. It was my parents beforehand, and I am guessing that little crack around the front of it, I guess, has never been really cleaned out. So that was really gross in there. But now it's time to move on and clean out the fins on the filter here. I always take the lint out after each load or each second load, depending on how bad it is. But between the dirt that comes out of all of my partner's and my 3-year-old's pants, it just, washing just doesn't get it all, shaking it out just doesn't get it all, and it just builds up and it goes everywhere. It contributes to why the lip on the laundry machine is all nasty under there. But it's time to get this done. Now it is time to give this place a really, really good sweep out, mop it up, and get on to the before and after shots.
Wanna go, let's go. Let's wrap it up and hit the road. I just got an awesome vibe, striking the winner post now. Liberty's on my mind. We've taken off, we've left the ground. You gotta understand that we get one chance, one chance. You will never regret the things that we'll do. 'Cause I wanna drive through the summer night. And when we are old and gray, we'll look back at this summer night. This summer night, this summer night. Sleeping in the back of a van, roaming in the wilderness. We don't ever need a plan. We'll be alright, just you and I. Singing from the top of our lungs, dancing by the lakeside. Gonna do it while we're young. In a moment it will all be gone. You gotta understand that we get one chance, one chance. You will never regret the things that we'll do. 'Cause I wanna drive through the summer night. And when we are old and gray, we'll look back at this summer night. This summer night.
And that is all from me today, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.
Someday we will look back